बच्चों, हाउ आर यू ऑल? आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन. आई एम योर मैथ्स टीचर अंजलि दहिया. स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का टॉपिक, ज्योमेट्रिकल कंस्ट्रक्शंस. इंट्रोडक्शन. A construction is a drawing that is made using geometrical tools like compass, protractor, set square, ruler, etc. It has a wide range of application in science, architecture, engineering and technology. To develop this skill, let us begin with simple basic construction. Now, line segment. We know that a line segment is a part of line bounded by two endpoints. Let us discuss its construction with geometrical tools. Now, construction of a line segment using ruler. Suppose we have to construct a line segment of 4.3 cm using ruler. We follow the following steps. Step 1. Make a point and label it as A. Step 2. Place the ruler in such a way that zero mark of the ruler coincides with A. Here. Step 3. Now move the pencil along the edge of the ruler till it reaches the point 4.3 cm of the ruler and mark it as B. Hence, AB is the required line segment of length 4.3 cm. This. Now, construction of a line segment using ruler and compasses. Suppose we have to construct a line segment of length 4.3 cm using ruler and compasses. We follow the following steps. Step 1. Draw a straight line L using ruler and mark a point A on it. Step 2. Place the metal end of compasses at zero mark of the ruler and open it in such a way that the pencil points it on 4.3 cm mark of the ruler. Now, step 3. Without altering the width of the open compasses, place the metal end of it on A and mark an arc on the line intersecting at B. Hence, AB is the required line segment of length 4.3 cm. Now, next is construction of a copy of given line segment. Suppose we have to construct a line segment PQ equal to the given line segment AB or copying the given line segment AB, we follow the following steps. तो हमें एक line segment given है AB. Now step 1. Draw a line L and mark a point P on it. Step 2. Place the metal end of the compass on the point A of the given line segment AB and open out the width of the compasses up to the point B. Now step 3. Without altering the width of the open compasses, place the metal end of the compasses on point B of line L and mark an arc that cuts the line L at another point Q. Hence, the line segment PQ is equal to the line segment AB. तो बच्चों, सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now, next is perpendicular. When two lines intersect each other at right angles, then lines are said to be perpendicular. In this section, we will learn how to draw perpendiculars. Now, construction of a perpendicular to a given line at a point on it using ruler and set square. To construct a perpendicular at a point A on given line L, we follow the following steps. Step 1. Place the ruler with one of its long edge along the given line L. Holding the ruler with one hand and place the set square in such a way that its vertex containing the right angle coincides with the given point A. इस तरह से set square को set करेंगे. Now step 2. Holding the set square fixed in its position, draw a line segment AB along its edge. Hence, AB is the required perpendicular on the given line L at point A. This. Now, next is construction of a perpendicular to a given line at a point on it using ruler and compasses. To construct a perpendicular at a point A on a given line L, we follow the following steps. Step 1. Place the metal end of the compasses on point A of the given line L with A as center and a convenient radius. Draw an arc cutting the line L at B and C. इस पे रख के arc B और C पे कट किया. Now step 2. With B as center and radius more than half of BC, draw an arc. B को center लेके more than half करके यहाँ पे हमने एक arc draw की. Now step 3. With C as center and the same radius, draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at D. यहाँ से हम C को center लेके उतना ही open रखेंगे और पहली वाली arc को cut करेंगे at D. Now step 4. Join A and D. A D को हमने क्या किया? Join किया. Hence AD is the required perpendicular on the given line L at point A. Now next is construction of a perpendicular to a given line from a point outside it using ruler and set square. To construct a perpendicular on a given line L from a point P outside it, we follow the following steps. Step 1. Place a set square on the line L in such a way that one arm containing the right angle lies along the line L and on the opposite side of the point B. Step 2. Place a ruler along the larger edge of the set square, that is the edge opposite to the right angle of the set square. इस तरह से हमने यहाँ पे ये किया. Now step 3. Hold the ruler. Ruler को hold किया and slide the set square along it till the point P coincides with the other arm of the set square. और हमने इस तरह से इसको hold करके और set square को तब तक किया जब तक कि वो point P के coincides नहीं हो जाते. Now step 4. Mark the point where the other arm of set square intersect the line L. Let it be Q. यहाँ पे हम set square को जहाँ कट कर रही है उसको Q दे देंगे. Now step 5. Join PQ. Hence PQ is the required perpendicular on the given line L from the point P outside it. Now next, construction of a perpendicular to a given line from a point outside it using ruler and compasses. To construct a perpendicular on a given line L from a point A outside it, we follow the following steps. Step 1. With A as center and any convenient radius, draw an arc intersecting line L at L and M. इस तरह से arc draw की. Now step 2. With L as center and radius more than half of LM, draw an arc below line L. Line के नीचे एक arc draw की. Now step 3. With M as center and the same radius, draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at B. Now step 4. Join AB, which cuts the line L at O. Hence, AO is the required perpendicular on the given line L from the point A outside it. Now next is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector of a line segment divides the line segment into two equal halves. The simplest way of dividing a line segment in two equal halves is by measuring with the ruler. We can also construct it by using ruler and compasses. Now, construction of perpendicular bisector. To construct a perpendicular bisector of a given line segment AB of length 4.6 cm, we follow the following steps. Now, step 1, draw a line segment AB 4.6 cm. Step 2, with A as center and radius more than half of AB. AB से के हाफ से ज़्यादा हम कंपास ओपन करेंगे. Draw two arcs on either side of AB. एक ऊपर और एक नीचे. दो आर्क हमने ड्रॉ की. Now step 3. Without altering the opening of the compass. कंपास उतना ही ओपन रखेंगे and B with a center. Draw two more arcs on either side of AB intersecting the previous arcs at X and Y respectively. B को सेंटर लेके दो आर्क और ड्रॉ की जो XY पे इंटरसेक्ट कर रही है. Now step 4, join X and Y intersecting AB at O. Hence, XY is the required perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. Clearly, AO is equals to OB, that is 2.3 centimeter. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is angle. Two rays having common initial point forms an angle. To construct the angle of given measurement, we use a protractor. Now construction of an angle of given measuring using protractor. Suppose we have to construct an angle of 70 degree using protractor. We follow the following steps. Now step 1, draw a ray AB whose initial point is A. Step 2, place the protractor in such a way that the center of the protractor falls on A and the baseline of the protractor coincides with the ray AB. Mark a point, say C, against the mark of 70 degree of the protractor. 70 degree पे हमने मार्क किया C. Now step 3, remove the protractor and draw the ray AC. Hence, angle CAB is the required angle whose measure is 70 degree. Now keep in mind, if an angle is constructed from left side of the ray, read the marking of protractor of lower measure. If an angle is constructed from right side of the ray, read the marking of protractor of upper measure. Now next is construction of a copy of an angle of unknown measure using ruler and compasses. Suppose we have to construct an angle equal to the given angle ABC, we follow the following steps. Now step 1, draw a ray MN. Step 2, place the metal end of the compasses on the vertex B of given angle and which convenient radius draw an arc intersecting ray BC and ray BA at X and Y respectively. Now step 3, इस तरह से हमने ये रे बनाई without altering the same radius of the compasses and with M as center. Draw an arc on ray MN intersecting it at P. यहाँ पे हमने एक arc ड्रॉ की. Now step 4, adjust the width of compasses equal to XY. XY के इक्वल हमने कंपास को एडजस्ट किया and draw an arc from P intersecting the previous arc at Q. यहाँ से P से Q पे intersect किया. Now step 5, join M and Q. M and Q को join किया. Now produce it to obtain a ray ML. Hence, angle LMN is the required angle equal to angle ABC. Now next is construction of bisector of an angle. Bisector of an angle divides the angle into two equal parts. To construct the bisector of the given angle, we follow the following steps. Now step 1, draw angle POQ of any measure. Now step 2, with O as center and any convenient radius, draw an arc intersecting the arms OP and OQ of angle POQ at A and B respectively. Now step 3, with B as center and radius more than half of AB, draw an arc. यहाँ से लेके एक arc draw की. Now step 4, with A as center and same radius, draw another arc intersecting the previous arc at C. यहाँ से यहाँ, यहाँ से यहाँ, इस तरह से ये वाले. Now step 5, join OC. Now produce it to obtain a ray OX. Hence, ray OX is the bisector of angle POQ. Now next is construction of special angles. With the help of protractor, we can draw the angles of any measure, but there are some special angles which are the multiples of 15. Can be constructed with the help of ruler and compasses. To construct such angles, that is 60 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree, 120 degree and 75 degree, we follow the following steps. Now, construction of an angle of measure 60 degree. Step 1, draw a ray OX. Step 2, with O as center and any convenient radius, draw an arc intersecting OX at A. Now, step 3, with A as center and the same radius, draw another arc which cuts the previous arc at B. Now, step 4, join OB. Now, produce it to get a ray OY. Hence, angle XOY is equals to 60 degree. Now, next is construction of an angle of measure 30 degree. Step 1, draw a ray OX. Step 2, construct an angle XOY of measure 60 degree using the steps of earlier construction. Step 3, bisect angle XOY by the ray OC. इनको बाइसेक्ट करेंगे, यहां से ओपन करके यहां से ओपन करके यहां आर्क लगाएंगे और जहां मिलेगा उसको OC को प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. हेंस एंगल XOC is equals to 30 degree and COY is equals to 30 degree. Now next is construction of an angle of measure 90 degree. Step 1, draw a ray OX. Step 2, with O as center and any convenient radius, draw an arc intersecting OX at A in the same way. Now step 3, with A as center and the same radius, draw another arc which cuts the previous arc at B. Step 4, with B as center, अब B को center लेंगे, B as center and the same radius, draw an arc intersecting the arc drawn in step 2 at C. Now step 5, draw the arcs from point C and B intersecting each other at D. यहाँ से लेंगे arc, यहाँ से लेंगे, intersect किया at D, join O and D. Now produce it to get ray OY. Hence angle YOX is equals to 90 degree. Now next, construction of an angle of measure 45 degree. Step 1, draw a ray OX. Step 2, construct an angle YOX of measure 90 degree using the steps of the earlier construction. Step 3, bisect angle YOX. Bisect करेंगे इसको, यहाँ से यहाँ bisect किया. Hence angle YOL is equals to 45 degree and angle LOX is equals to 45 degree. Now next, construction of an angle of measure 120 degree. Step 1, draw a ray OX. Step 2, with O as center and any convenient radius, draw an arc intersecting OX at A. Step 3, with A as center and the same radius, draw another arc which cuts the previous arc at B. Now step 4, with B as center and the same radius, draw an arc intersecting the arc drawn in step 2 at C. Now step 5, join OC. O और C को join किया and produce it to obtain a ray OY. Hence angle YOX is equals to 120 degree. Now construction of an angle of measure 75 degree. Step 1, draw a ray OX. Step 2, construct angle XOQ and angle XOR of measure 60 degree and 90 degree. 60 degree का एंगल बनाया और ये 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाया. नाउ स्टेप 3, बाइसेक्ट एंगल ROQ. ROQ को बाइसेक्ट किया, यहां से रे, बाइसेक्ट एंगल ROQ by the ray OY. Hence angle XOY is equals to 75 degree. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. Now next is circle. Circle is a set of all those points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point remains constant. The fixed point is called the center of the circle. The line segment joining the center of the circle to any point on the circle is the radius of the circle. Now construction of a circle with given radius. Suppose we have to construct a circle of radius 4 cm. We follow the following steps. Step 1. Open the compass by placing the metal end of the compasses on the 0 mark of the ruler and pencil end on the 4 cm mark of the ruler. Step 2. Mark a point O as the center of the circle. Place the metal end of the compass on O. मेटल एंड यहाँ रखेंगे, ऑलरेडी वो 4 सेंटीमीटर ओपन है, एंड रोटेट्स द कंपास स्लोली इन complete revolution to draw the circle without lifting the compass end. The figure so obtained is the circle of radius 4 cm. Now next is construction of a circle with given diameter. Suppose we have to construct a circle of diameter 8 cm. We follow the following steps. Now step 1. Draw a line segment AB is equals to 8 cm. which is the diameter of the required circle. Now step 2. Bisect लाइन सेगमेंट ए बी इंटरसेक्टिंग ए बी एट ओ. इस लाइन को हमने क्या किया, बाइसेक्ट किया. नाउ स्टेप 3. टेकिंग ओ एज सेंटर एंड प्लेस द मेटल एंड ऑफ द कंपास ऑन इट. ओपन द कंपास सो दैट द पेंसिल एंड रीचेस ईदर एट ए और बी. यहां पे रख के मेटल को या तो यहां या यहां किसी एक में से. Rotate the compass slowly in complete revolution to draw a circle without lifting the compasses end. The figure so obtained is the circle of diameter 8 cm. तो बच्चों सेम मेथड को यूज करते हुए एक्सरसाइज आप खुद ट्राई करेंगे. आई होप आपको चैप्टर समझ आए. इसका रिवीजन आप खुद करेंगे.